Hi, Steve here from Play.Empire. Got a new product just in which I wanted to share with you. Ideal if you've got a play group, a pack away setting, or you're really restricted for general space. We have the new foldable, easy to use sand and water trays. Literally is that simple. The nice thing is with this is you've got two lockable heavy duty castors, so it's easy to move around as well, and then literally fold away. It's that simple. £87.99, so it's under £100, and it's available now for a direct delivery. Thank you.